Hey viewers, we already learned how the if function works. If you missed the previous tutorial, I will give you the link in the description. Today, I am going to show you how the nested if function works when we need multiple answers in an Excel sheet. Now, I want to assign grades based on their marks using a nested if function. First, click on the cell where you want the grade to appear. Then, type formula. I want the students who get 90 or above marks to receive an A+ grade, students who get 80 or above marks to receive a grade, students who get 70 or above marks to receive B grade, and similarly, students who get 50 or above marks to receive C grade. Then, close all brackets and hit enter. Now you can see the grades for students who get higher marks and who fail. And that's it. You've just learned how to use the nested if function to get multiple results in one formula. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.